This is my non-linear editing software that I use, Edius 9. I was asked if I'd like to make a video during lockdown for our church band. First of all, I made the backing track to send to all the band members.
Where would I run to the throne of mercy?
The beginning was a little quiet, so I lifted the gain as it was important for them to hear the introduction well.
Where would I run?
This track had the voice on the left channel and the guitar was on the right, so I split the channels before adding effects to each of them. Track 1 now only plays the voice, with track 2 only playing the guitar. Most of the files were recorded using an onboard microphone on their laptops or phones, although a few of them did have quality microphones. Here I'm showing how I removed the hiss on the tracks.
But at this cross of grace, how great the love, how strong the hand that holds us.
To many of them, I added reverb to add some body. Each person had 2 tracks. Here, I'm adding some reverb to the violin. You can hear the difference when I add the reverb effects. As the footage and sound files came in, I checked over the general sound levels and if it was usable. Here, I EQ'd the guitar a little to brighten it up, as well as adding a high-pass filter to remove some of the lower frequencies. I then added each file, syncing them together. This gives you an idea how one was built upon another.
Where would I run but to the throne of mercy? Where would I kneel but at this cross of grace?
With so many tracks, I had to label each one. I focused on doing the sound first of all.
Where would I run to the throne of mercy?
Then came the really fun part where I decided on the arrangement for each line of the song. I attempted some mixes with male and female, or all male and all female, adding harmonies where possible. With fewer voices and not too many instruments, it brought more interest to the song. For the video, here I am resizing and moving the footage, colour grading and using masks to help me save time positioning and sizing. Of course, none of the videos sent to me were synced with the sound, so I had to lip read as well. Often the video would speed up and slow down, the disadvantage of recording online. It was a really fun video to make, although quite challenging, with so many tracks to handle at once. I hope everyone that hears it will really enjoy it, and here's a sample of some of the song.
There is a king, all the scars that he. There is a son who came